Hello, and I am going to show you guys today how to do a nutrition label. So, I did one not too long ago, and I'm going to import that in because I'm going to follow it just a little bit. So, let me go ahead and find that. What was it? Oh, welcome to Q's Corner. Yeah, I'm going to get used to saying this. And you know what? I'm going to take a look at this one and mimic this. Kind of sort of mimic it. But anywho, so basically what you want to do is go to insert and go to shape. So you want to shape. I'm going to make a rectangle. Right click this, so we're going to do white. And a fill outline. We got it black, but we want to do it a little thicker. See, because most of them have real thick lines. Alright, so let's go to, I can barely see what I say. Sheesh, can y'all see that? Because I sure can. Anyways, we're going to do the nutritional fat. And notice that's kind of big. So let's go ahead and let's do 16. And I'm not going to use any special fonts and all of that yet. We want to just get this started, and you guys can figure if you want to do that. So another thing I want to do is actually, it's a serving size. So we're going to go ahead and put the serving size. Serving size. One. We're going to say one hot mom. Of course, we got to be back. And of course, this serving size is always smaller. Let's do 12. Alright, and then y'all see how that's so far apart? So what I've done the other day when I made mine is I went to paragraphs. Let me paragraph and make my line spacing so it's a little closer together. See? Bam. Bring that down. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Alright. And then to do the lines, I go to the lines, and I'm gonna say you gotta be real good with this one. Make your line go over. I think it's even. It looks like it's even. Let's make that line a little thicker so we can see it. Yay, it's even. So now what I'm gonna do from here is you can just make sure you copy and paste. Then nobody got time to be playing around with this line. So copy. We're gonna copy and paste a few of these lines because we're gonna need a few of them. Okay. Nope. Delete that one. But anyway, y'all get the point. So then you go ahead, text box again, put amount per serving. And you don't have to. I didn't put amount per serving on the last one. Or maybe I did. I don't remember. Amount per serving. So one family, because I am only for my family, or you are only for your family. See? I'll do bold. Boom. And like I said, y'all can definitely critique this how you want. I'm not doing any special, um, you know, fonts or anything. So after you put that one, then we're gonna do the text box, and we're gonna say um, percent daily value. Put that right there. I'll make that just a little bit bigger. Okay. Same thing. Add the line. You know, like y'all get the point. So you're just doing this all the way down, and you can even, go back, edit this line to make sure that you don't have to do it so thick. That's how you do all the way down. And when you get to the bottom, right here, this little thing here can be different. So it says percent daily value, and then you put what you want. So I want to say that my percent daily value is lots of love from my family. So this is smaller when you do that part. Because it has to fit in here. But you can make it do 2 lines as well. And if I zoom in, y'all see, it's lots of love from my family. Awesome. That's on 90%. So that's basically how you do this. And I'll fill a little bit more in. Beauty. Or you can do this all the way across. Beauty. 1000%. Okay. All right. And what else? We're going to say, don't forget your line. Don't forget your line. Oops, let me bring that over. I definitely want it to match up with this. Okay. Definitely want it to match up with that. And then you put your line. Don't forget your line. But see, you get the idea. So when you all said and done, it looks like nutrition facts. And you save it as picture, and let's see, one hot mom nutritional facts. Make sure you're saving it. It comes up as PNG already. So that's the good thing. So make sure it's saved as PNG. Save it, and you're done. And you can make that for anything that you want to make it. Just make sure that your percentages are lined up, just like this one. Your percentages are lined up. And, oh, I gotta move that over. I probably gotta move the whole thing over. So I actually have to move it over. But anywho, but yeah, just keep filling on all the way down and put what you want in there. And you know, when I first did mine, I went online to kind of get a little bit of ideas and went from there. So you know, tweak it, freak it a little bit. Send me some stuff that y'all do. You know, I want to see other people's ideas. You know, what you make. Let's do a little challenge. Everybody make a nutrition fact label and send it to me. You know, send it to my email. Hit me up on Facebook at Impeccable Events and let me see what you made. All right, well, it's my time. So thank you guys for watching Q's Corner, and y'all have a wonderful day.